Loku ngikubhekile kasisuthu barengwana kushebile mntwana ungichazile cebe kukhapha ngathi manje ujahile Loku ngikubhekile kasisuthu barengwana kushebile mntwana ungichazile cebe kukhapha ngathi manje ujahile imana lapho kupha nakho ngicela ukwazi baby nesibongo sakho ifegama lakho isikhathi sakho ngicela ngokubona kabo kadi nakho mana lapho kupha nakho ngicela nokukwazi baby nesibongo sakho ifegama lakho isikhathi sakho ngicela nokubona kabo kadi nakho ngiyamfuna
It was a Friday, mangibona kabili makuvela wena hlanya machita bathi Pakistan le Tony Shove no lead awungayi number letha mapi wathi no when you play aga yeah we thole number M noma ungangibheka ka I'm like bega love she's my better half one day zoba imedi and itafula lethu wena uzodeka love wangihleka like are you crazy M umuntu ekasi ukwazi as the ladies man that's the old me but besides this ayikibhaka fanele usande mzansi besides M she's the one now Bonnie and Clyde partnership is who we are now yonke imjojo sichileka mnandi mangibona ngihamba nayo sibize ngosiphandi
stand sengimdala when I settle down inkinga labacheri always let me down nami ngiyasiblame ngikho innocent nami bheka manje sengifeel pressure phela kule age yami kumele ngabe senginomuntu straight mara kumele ngifuna umuntu everything iqaleleka nakhona ngisibuza ukuthi ngizomthola vibe ungavuma ukubuild life nami ngithanda kwangevari phela these days abaningi they judge me for having two kids from different mommies into engibhorayo they don't even ask me ukuthi kwenzakaleni bangijikela fast noma ngabe bengiguilt akekho umuntu right yokungijaja ngepast cause it doesn't define me besides we send the blind things up so we passed hangi regrets inakancane no
Oh yeah, I called an hour before or else I will knock on your door Baby girl, I want you, yes for sure Girl, I wanna see you more and more Oh yeah, I called an hour before or else I will knock on your door Baby girl, I want you, yes for sure Girl, I wanna see you more and more yeah.